Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be explaining Easyjet hands-free, how it works, how to get it for free, how it's going to make your whole airport experience easy and stress-free. So if you're planning on flying with Easyjet and you're planning on travelling with a cabin case like this, then I would strongly advise that you use the hands-free. Now it's £5 per bag or £12 for a family of up to 6 bags. But if you are lucky enough to have your mobile provider with 3, then you can get this service for free on your outbound flight. I'll explain a little bit more about this in a minute. Now, it's very simple to use. Just arrive at the airport, find the Easyjet check-in desks. You can't miss them, they're big and orange. Use the priority lane, drop your bag off, or it'll be tagged priority and sent into the hold. You can bring a small under-the-seat bag to take on the aircraft with you for your personal belongings, but if you don't, then they will give you a tote bag for free. And because you don't have to unpack your bulky wheelie bag at security, it's going to make life a lot easier travelling through, and you can just enjoy other people stressing as they do that. And because you don't have your big bag with you as well, you don't need to worry about leaving it anywhere in the airport, having to take it with you to the toilet, anything like that. And the best bit's when you board the plane, there's no need to fight for overhead locker space. Now, the hands-free is great if you're just going away for a weekend break. It's much cheaper than a standard hold bag, which is roughly about £15. And because it's going in the hold, there's no restrictions on the size of your liquid, so you don't need to abide by the 100ml liquid size. It means you can pack full-size deodorants rather than the mini 100ml ones. And finally, because it does get tagged as priority, it's going to be one of the first bags to come off and the baggage carousel. Now this is for hand luggage only, so the maximum size of 56 by 45 by 25 still applies. Now, as I did mention before, to get it for free with 3, just simply send a text to 88555. Text the words upgrade followed by your flight number, date of travel and your last name, and you'll receive a reply, and you just simply show this when you get to check-in. Now, I will be using this service on my next trip to Berlin. I will be creating a trip report, so please do subscribe, keep an eye out for that in the next few weeks. Thank you all for listening, and I hope the information helps.